Hello, guys. Good morning. Fuck me, not good morning. Holy shit. We can see who overslept this morning. Good afternoon, guys. How are you all doing? Yeah. Another call comes in. Be right back. Hello, guys. Sorry. I don't know. Okay. What do we have on gold? Nothing yet. Well, nice. Well, you are nice. Bitcoin, euro. You get the MSG indicator on t1fxteam.com. So I didn't change the date. Oh my god, dude, what is wrong with me? I changed the description, but I don't change the date. Today is a very busy day. Sorry, guys. I apologize for today. US 100. What's happening there? It's going up. What is happening? Let's see what trades we can take here. US 100. But it's going up already, so we missed this one. Oil is a sell, yes, I agree. Well, it's selling, we missed that one. We missed all of these positions already. Okay. So gold might actually be coming down, but unless it breaks this level. Okay. And the reason for that level is we have this. But there's the neckline. That's why it's rejecting off the neckline on this 5-minute candle. So if it breaks it, we know where price wants to go to. This is the only way we're going to see a green block. If it doesn't break this, we're seeing a red block for sure. We are also kind of seeing at the same time, this is our options we have, so this is what we're going to be looking out for. We have a bear flag there. So it's either going to be this bear flag, which will do this 1, 2, and now here, and then go for the break to here. Alright, so this is scenario 1. Okay, and then this is scenario 2. We either have this or we have this, which just broke the neckline, by the way. So we don't want price to come back below this neckline again. So if it doesn't come back below this, we're going over here. But let's see, it's currently at the VWAP extension, the middle line. Today is a very, very, very tough day, guys. Like, even me, I'm struggling. Today, I've only made a fucking beautiful, whopping 23 doll hairs with no trades in currently. Gold breaking past the middle line of the VWAP. Okay, so we are seeing definitely like the head and shoulders coming into play here. The inverted head and shoulders. But the problem with this is we know it will go to there, but we have no idea if it's gonna break it or whatever. So, but the first thing we want to look for is for price to come back to this line and see if it's not gonna break below, because this can easily be the manipulation for our bear flag, which must come down, right? So either this is manipulation, which I don't think it will be manipulation for the flag, right? To show, okay, hey, it's going up, and then we're buying, and then it traps all the buyers, and it sells, and it completes the bear flag, right? So there is no trade to be taken unless we are sure it's not gonna break below this neckline over here. I don't think this is manipulation because it's taking a long time, so quite a long time above. And I think this might actually be the real move. And we're starting to see the rejection of that middle VWAP line now. So yeah, kinda, it's not, I can't take a trade because we have a possible bear flag. And if this is manipulation down, and then we have a possible inverted head and shoulders going up. So two things so far: the head and shoulders winning and showing price wants to go back up to 50.25. But we're not sure of it yet because we haven't come back to test to see how strong this neckline is, right? So we are not sure. You see, it's rejecting over the zone. Let's see. So next target is to break that zone. Yes, base clips you can. Yeah, doll hairs. Gave such a late sell signal, or am I not using the... Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but it gave it lately, so this is a level you want to look out for later. But what really happened? You see, this low was swept of the MSG one. But yeah, you guys shouldn't have probably sold here because yeah, no candles there, just a week. So yeah, I don't know what you guys did this morning. But yeah, this was to come and sweep this low. So understand why this happened. So a sweep to this low means price will go up. So I don't think, that's why I'm also saying this might not be manipulation. And this is probably the right move to the top side here. If it's going to break and turn the block green, I don't know. The only problem we do have is if it breaks this block green, it cannot go up too much because there's a massive, massive strong zone over here. Okay. And it's also rejecting of the VWAP and rejecting of the so. Let's see if we can get a pullback to this line, and then with volume coming in a bit and pushing it. So yeah, and you guys targeting MSJ2, I've told you guys from the start, I don't really target it for, I don't really target 2 and 4. I only target 1 and 3, but I do use the highs and the lows and what it does of the MSG 2 and 4. But I only focus on high after MSG 1 and 3. That should be your main 2 things to focus on, is MSG 1 and 3. But for now we have a low that was swept, so we took buyers out, and price is continuing up with the inverted head and shoulders. But many things to go past, rejecting of the zone. We need to break the zone, which is going to be difficult. But it can be done. Bam! And then the problem is, once price reaches over here, the inverted head and shoulders has been completed. So from here on, this thing can drop and even turn this block red. Very big possibility. So we need to see if it's going to break to the top side. Man, ek sukkel in die oggende, my internet sny 1 uur die oggend, elke oggend, dan kom ek, dan wil ek live gaan haal, dan sny my internet heeltemal uit, af. Het raak nou fucking irriterend. So goed, hulle is besig om te kyk wat gaan aan. No problem, Colin. So you guys will learn every day a little bit. So yeah, I'm just explaining so you guys understand. This is the way I look at the market. I'm not saying you must look at the market the same way I do, but I mean it works. This is what works for me, and understanding it. And it, like, I can take small scalps. Like, look here. The whole day I struggled. I'm on $23.50 profit. I took a trade now, a small scalp, because of this and breaking the VWAP line. I could bank some money. This is $80, you know. So this is, then I scalp, because then I'm sure, okay, this must happen. And we're breaking this now. So I'm climbing out because I don't know if it's going to continue or reject it off there. But price should be heading this direction. Oil should be falling. Yeah, oil is currently falling. We do see a pullback and a sweep to this low. So if we put it on the 1 minute, you guys will see down, up, and then down. Silver is also climbing. Bitcoin should be falling. Yeah, Bitcoin is falling. It should be red block. Euro USD will probably respect this and then start climbing. But yeah, we need to see what happens now. Werner Potgieter sê, ek wil net ook noem, die tegnologie werk soos 'n bom. Ek het al baie klein account en al net baie profit vir my gemaak. Ek is baie bly vir dit. Ja, die tegnologie is baie goed, want dit word, daai trades word nie net gegee nie, word geoorsie deur klomp trading experts in die UK voordat dit gegee word. So, kom ons hoor 'n bietjie deur. Daar's 'n paar goedjies wat ons nou wat ek vir hulle gesê het met hulle fucking verander en inbring. So nou, as ons nou hierna moet kyk. Kom ons kyk gou na die laaste ene was 'n buy gewees op US 100 en dan kan ons gaan kyk hoe mooi klim US 100. Sien julle hoe klim US 100? Holy shit. Kan julle dit sien? So kyk hoe mooi klim US 100. Kyk die buy was gegee, kyk hoe mooi klim hy. Check net daar, en hy is amper by die TP level. So, as hy sê soos bullish, dan is ons nou die buy, en die resistance, is jou TP area wat jy wil target, want dit is die volgende resistance, en support is waar jy dan nou jou wil kyk, dat gaan hy dalk nie meer opgaan, gaan hy nou afgaan. Right, so jou exit point, so kyk hoe mooi klim hy. So die wat ook al US 100 gevat het, die laaste signal op die Telegram groep, Ons gaan hom gooi. Maar kom ons gaan 'n bietjie deur die veranderinge wat kom. So, hier onder confidence gaan hulle die support en resistance gee, wat julle mos nou al, dis die soft language, so die support en resistance wat hulle gaan gee. En dan gaan hulle die chart ook bysit met die long position of die short position, wat soos die gaan lyk. Dan gaan hulle dan nou hierdie ook bysit. Nou ek seker almal weet nou al hoe my long position te lees. So ja, hulle gaan hierdie bysit ook. So daar's 'n hele paar nice veranderinge wat kom. Okay. En kyk hoe mooi klim daai US 100. Goud is amper by die level hierso. En dan ons sal sien as hy dan nou draai, dan het ons 'n neckline en dan is dit ook hierdie level en dan sal ons ook die fib kry waar ook al hy sal draai. Okay. So die ideal sal wees as hy hiernatoe kan beweeg, want dan is daai golden zone mooi in hierdie blokkie in. En teen die tyd wanneer hy daar kom, om en afkom, dan is dit nou die neckline wat hy ook kom al toets met hierdie ding is wat hy kom toets. So, ja. Let's see what happens, how far it pushes up. But yeah, already Cell is starting to push it down. Close to our level. But on the 1 minute, it's actually just pulling back to the zone. And see, on the 1 minute, it's just pulling back to the zone. And this will decide up or down. Okay. Ja. Waar kry julle wat ons net gewys het? Op T1 Traders Hub. T1tradershub.com. Dit is gratis vir om te gebruik. And you'll find the Telegram group also on there. Like if you go to where is it now? If you go to T1 Traders Hub and you are basically let's go back to the list, go back to the dashboard. Well, anyway, where you are, you'll see on top Telegram, and we'll open the Telegram for you. If you guys need support, there is the support number. So, support for assistance, and then Telegram if you want to join the Telegram group. Okay. And then, obviously, if you don't, you can just use the hub, and this gives you all the signals. The filters, I use the 60% confidence, so there's 60% to 80% confidence. If you take 80%, you'll see how little positions there's not even one where they are 80% sure of the thing. So I use the 60% one. If you use 20%, you will get a shitload of positions you can take every day, like 50 plus. You see, you get a lot. Okay. But I filter those out and I only work on the 60%. And the ones going through to Telegram is also only 60%. Gold moving up to our loan. I think silver should have broken it already. Yeah. Let's see what silver does. We can actually take the fib out here. Let's see. I want to see something. Yeah. So full body is over here. Ek gaan nou die ou bel, ek gaan jou al die details stuur. So we will see what silver wants to do. It's predicted that silver can go to $90, but obviously not now in one shot, but soon. Gold doing the retest to this level over here. Oil, yeah, I don't know what much to say about oil, and Bitcoin should be a sell. Bitcoin should really be a sell today. It pushed overbought levels early this morning, like predicted. Even the MSG one, beautiful things, and we'll see. We'll see what it wants to do. I would actually prefer it to not go down. Then we can have this again. We can have a lucky inverted shoulders again. And you guys see. But then it needs to kind of stop now. Like it mustn't go below. And then this will be our neckline. Can you guys see that inverted head and shoulders isn't always like, doesn't have to be perfect like this. You see, it can be like this as well. The same on gold now. This is a big mistake you guys are doing. Can you guys see where the neckline is? It's not like level. You see. Gold pushing down. I think we're going to come back now for this pullback over here. And let's see. I want to take out the fib. So it's on that level there. Wait. So we have it on the top of the third candle. And if we do this, we have it a bit higher. So let's go for the safe option and include the wicks. We'll include the wicks, and then our level is over here. But if we use the full body now, it's over here. So yeah, not really a big difference there. So let's see what it does. I'm just gonna mark this golden zone for us. It's also the nice of this neckline also. So kind of like if you want to throw the wicks out and make it straight. You know, if you only use the full bodies and not the wicks, you can kind of make it straight. And then this would be a level. So in this golden zone. So okay, so yeah, we have some couple of nice things. So I think we're on our way back to this level. The head and shoulders has been completed. The inverted head and shoulders, you can see this as a completion. So did what we exactly wanted to do. But from here on, this thing can, like I said, this thing can sell straight and make this block red. There's now nothing we have extra. So we're gonna have to just see what it does with the levels and wait for our breakout. Okay. Currently, also, I'm not in any trade, as you guys can see. There's no confirmation for a small scalp even. It's just, yeah, you can't sell because then you're gonna hope it's gonna go to and retest that level, and we don't want to trade with hope, right? We don't trade with hope, guys. That's how we make our money. Prof, will you tell us when to take trade? I'm not allowed to tell you when to take trade. You guys know the rules. If you don't know the rules, you guys haven't gone to YouTube and did the class, right? There's a whole class for you guys. How do you get it on TradingView? Guys, on T1FX Team. So let me open T1FX Team for you guys. Let me open T1FX Team. You first need to log in also. Everything is free here, as long as you're affiliated with us. So you need to log in. And on the dashboard, you'll see here, TradingView MSG indicator, including the Lego method. Then you just request access. And if you request access, Stefan will approve it, and then you'll have it on your indicator list. Alright, so once you request it on T1FX team, you just come to trading view, you go indicators, and you go to invite only. And then under invite only, you'll see it, and you just click on it, and it will add it for you. Okay. Alright. Currently, struggling to break below the VWAP extension in the middle. Yes, normally big. Yes, Rion, that is correct. So trade pairs where you can handle drawdown currency pairs, maybe oil with a small lot size, can easily take those trades on the trade idea group. US 30 also playing out beautifully. I would believe so. If US 100 is climbing as nice as it does, then yeah. Our silver should be dropping too now. Let's see. Yeah, silver is dropping as well. Bitcoin still. Oh, Bitcoin is rejecting off here, guys. We might. Hey. Look, it rejected off here. It rejected. Oh, if this thing can break this neckline and stop. Oh, guys, I'm going long. It rejected. It stopped. I can't believe it stopped it actually. Wow. Let's see. If this thing breaks it. Yo. I'm gonna dual screen this, guys. I don't wanna mess up here. I wanna keep an eye on it. So we'll do gold on the left. And we'll do Bitcoin on the right. Okay, is that fine, guys? Can you still see? Can you guys see perfectly like this? Is it fine? Do I still stream in the Asia? I'm having problems with my internet, bro. It switches off, goes off at 1 in the morning. Fuck knows what reason. Alright, bro, I'll have a look, but there's a problem on the line because it's causing packet loss now. Maybe if one of the tenants are streaming or downloading a lot of stuff or whatever, yeah, that might affect it. But yeah, let's see what this 200 meg does. It goes on, but the problem is I'm going live 2 in the morning. I have to go live with my clients. And now I can't go live with all my clients 2 in the morning. You understand? So and I want to go live like 1 a.m. in the morning already for the 2 a.m. session. So yeah, let's see what tonight does. Hopefully it's sorted. All right, guys. Looks like they sorted the internet. Let me just do a fucking. Let's just do a speed test over here. Nope. Still dog shit. Nope, they didn't change it. Guys, just a question: is the try Ookla speed test? Just a question: is the stream lagging or not? But still, it should be 200, guys. It should be 200. All right, and you can check your WhatsApp quickly, please. I'm just live with the clients. Thank you. No, it should be 200. Should I just make it a gig? Should I just upgrade it to a fucking gig? Okay. Now you see, it's supposed to be 200 download, 200 upload. And it's only me using the Wi-Fi. It's only me using the fiber. Fuck it. I'm just gonna make it a gig. Fuck this. Gold dropping to our zone over here. It's important to keep eye on the price, what it does over here. That means silver should be dropping too. Yeah, silver dropping. Euro USD dropping. Oh, it's actually going up. Nice. That is calm. Oil climbing, yeah, because gold's dropping, silver's dropping. Can you guys see what I mean by once it comes here, it can do whatever it wants. Not to say it's going to break it. It can still actually very much can make a red block. Very possible. So yeah, the only thing we have now is this block and this level. So because the problem is it kind of actually broke. Oh, it's rejecting on that neckline as well now. So let's see. We'll see what happens from here. Already we can see some sort of rejection coming in on the first 1 minute touch. First small rejection. So let's see what it wants us to do. Nice rejection. Nice rejection so far. We're starting to see some rejections, which is normally a sign that it wants to respect us. So let's wait and see. There we go. Rejecting of our zone. We're starting to see rejection happening. Let's go to the 5 minute, back to the 5 minute. This 5 minute candle will close only in 30 seconds. But great rejection so far. But I think we should see the next one coming down. Or if this is cloud rejection. But great rejection so far. Are we bullish on gold today? I'm not sure, to be honest. Sure looks like it wants to push up. Now we have this 5 minute candle coming. And we actually want to see, if it's a red one, we want to see the body close here. If it's otherwise, we want to see it green, like body close here or green. Great redirection there. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if we can get a lacquer move by 3:30 and make some money. I'm quickly gonna go and get a LAN cable. Oh, you know what? I have a father. Fuck it. Let me phone my father. Ek weet Icon.
Wat?
Icon.
Okay. Ja, want Melissa het nou met 'n neef of iets van haar gepraat in PE. Toe noem hy die ou se naam. Toe sê ek nee, maar ek weet nie. Hy sê want hulle weet hulle het 'n breeding school, 'n dog school.
Ja, het ja.
Ja, hy sê ja. Okay, dan is dit die mense wat hy van praat, ja.
Ja, sy naam is Icon.
Okay, nee, Melissa se neef ken die mense. Okay.
Nou waar bly haar neef?
In PE.
Nou kan hy nie die hond gaan haal vir ons nie.
Nee, ek gaan maar daar slaap en dan gaan ek die hond kry.
Ja, maar kan hy nie net die hond vir ons kry? Gaan haal eerder die hond mos nou by hom.
Nee, ek weet nie gaan 'n hond om byt nie. Dis hoekom ek is ook bang vir hy hond. God, hy moet my nie byt nie.
Ag, wat se ergste wat kan gebeur?
Nee, kak, dis nie wat die ergste wat kan gebeur. Ek kan meester sê as die volgende naweek. Nee.
Hy is 9 maande oud, man.
Hy sal 'n volgroeide hond 9 maande. Hy is nie meer 'n pappie nie.
Guys, sorry guys, rejection of here. Great rejection of there. Anyway, ja, pa. Wil jy my nie guns doen nie? Ek koop 'n LAN kabel.
Ja.
Seker 5. Oh ja, wag. 3 8.
Nee, jy gaan hom net laat opmaak. As hy so lank is, moet jy hom laat opmaak. Jy koop nie sulke lang LAN kabels nie.
Okay. Nee, verkoop net 10 meter.
Nee, LAN kabels, jy moet hom laat opmaak. That's unfortunately now, kak, ja. So jy moet maar by Matrix hoor dat hulle vir jou wat se 6 kabel Cat 6 kabel moet opmaak met die connectors.
Nee, maar die ouens sê jy kry tot 20 meter wat klaar gemaak is.
Dan bestel hom maar waar jy hom gaan kry.
Ja, maar ek het dit nou nodig, Paul. Ek het dit nou nodig.
Dat teken dat is 2 dae.
Kom ek bel vir Matrix.
Ja, bel maar vir Matrix daar so. 'n Cat 6 kabel met die Cat 6 connectors.
Ja, sure. Kom maar. Fuck it, guys. Sorry, man. Ek wil ook nie net my mic mute nie, man, want dis nou 2 lekker trades hierso, man. Hi, brother. Tell me, do you have ready-made Cat 6 cables there that's 10 meters long?
10 meter, yes sir, I do have.
It's already with the Cat 6. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sending my father. Thank you. Bye. Ja, ek het nou net met my pa gepraat, dan bel jy hom weer, dan antwoord hy nie. Alright, thanks guys. Yeah, we found the cable. Stuart, that is calm. I mean, Kimberly, bro. I want it now. Cat 8. Guys, does Cat 8 even exist? I'm so out of this stuff. Are you pulling my leg, bro? But from the very first moment, I knew this trip was going to be different. As we headed out into the desert, the city slowly disappeared behind us. And all that was left was endless sand and the sun hitting the dunes perfectly. It was quiet, peaceful, almost unreal. Then the energy shifted, we jumped into the 4x4s, and just like that, we were flying over the dunes, sliding, drifting, pure adrenaline. I looked over at Stefan, and we were both just laughing. No stress, no charts, just living in the moment. We stopped for a bit, took some photos, locked in memories you can't recreate. As the sun went down, everything slowed again. We arrived at the camp, and the setup was beautiful. You could feel the atmosphere, calm, welcoming. Everyone just enjoying where they were. Dinner brought everyone together. Good food, real conversations, and just being present with the people around you. Then came the final show, the energy, the music, the performance. It was the perfect way to end the day. And just like that, we have... No, it looks nice, but what am I going to use it for? I don't like this red candle. Let's hold my father again.
Ja,
Nee, Matrix het ready-made.
hoeveel meer is dit?
10.
Okay. Ja, nou moet ek dit toch gaan optel, want ek gaan nou ry.
Nie nou. Ek is live met die ouens en ons sukkel hierso.
Ja, nee, jy moet rustig wees.
Nee, pa man.
Ek gaan nou eers was gou vinnig. En dan gaan ek gou dorp toe.
Pa, jy was nie as jy gaan visvang nie, so jy kan nou maar skiep ook nou.
Nou is nie visvang, ek gaan dorp toe, is die visvang.
Nee, maar gaan net vinnig, jy is mos getroud. Hoekom wil jy was? Jy gaan mos nie 'n vrou gaan hom.
Nee, kom, ek gaan oor so 'n uur.
Nee, man.
Ja.
Pa.
See you just now.
Nee, as jy iets soek by my, dan sê ek jy moet nou eens wag. Kom.
Nee, ek wag, want sê jy nie, jy het nie nou nie, dit betaal eers maandag en dan wag ek klop dan.
Maar jy wag nie wanneer dit in is.
Nee, okay, jy gaan ook nie wag hê.
Nee, man, pa man.
Ja, okay, ek gaan so toe gaan, want ek moet net Jenna se foon van. Okay, hulle kan dit seker by Vodacom daar by Matrix gou doen. Net 'n ander screen protector vir my opsit. So, okay, ja, ek sal nou daar wees. Okay, so.
Nee, wag, ek gaan iemand anders gou stuur. Nee, ek kort daar nou vir die live vir die ouens hierso. So ja, nee, ek sal iemand anders gou stuur.
Seker.
Ja, so.
Want ek gaan nou gery het.
Nee, ja, en oor 'n uur en 'n half hier is.
Ja, maar dit gaan nou basies 'n uur vat. Ja.
Nee, 20 minute as ek nou iemand stuur, 20 minute.
Ja, want jy bly by die mall.
Nou ja toe.
Ek bly nie daar.
So ek gaan gou kabel kry, sharp.
Okay, sê maar as jy nie reg kom, ja, gaan gery het.
Okay, ek het reg gekom. Dankie.
Ja, maar laat weet maar.
Okay, bye. Waar's my huishulp? Sy kan gou vir my mol toe gaan. Annelies? Yeah, I don't know if buy is safe, guys. Relax. This thing should not be here anymore. So yeah. If you go for it, stop loss needs to be below this VWAP extension. And there's a fair value gap also here, so yeah, if you do go in, stop loss is about this area, yeah. But yeah, the best thing is to wait for it to break up. Yeah, I see. US 30. I see US 100 also still climbing. US 30. Yes, yes, yes. I see. Yeah, I don't think this Bitcoin trade wants to happen. Anyway, guys, let me do this for you guys. So you can just see what positions I'm running there. Anyway, guys, I'll be right back. Let me just organize someone to go to the mall for me quickly. I say, okay, organize. Yeah, what is happening here? Not looking too good. What is happening here? Ugh. Can it break it now? You see this level, it must break this level again. This one. Today is such a slow day, guys. We're gonna have to kind of take what we. Ugh. Oh, risk-free trade. Fuck me, guys. I'm not finding my feet today. $150 only. Oh my god. It's a bad day. If you want for T1, this for the market insights, you just go to literally all you have to do. You go to T1 Traders Hub, and you find the Telegram there, and you'll find all the analysis here. Right, but you just go to the top here, T1 Traders Telegram, and then support over here for you guys, and then just to give you guys some insights, there's 6,000 markets to choose from, assets, 50 daily trades, and then 100 countries covered. I only made a selected few to go to Telegram, so only a few goes to Telegram and not a lot. Okay. There's nothing new on the trading up, my guys. There's nothing new. But it just gave the US 30 and it gave the US 30, US 100, US 2000, gave buys today. And let me fucking tell you, it's buying. Let me tell you that. If we look at US 100, look at the buy it gave. Fuck, if I took it, I would be. This would have given my daily goal just one market. And then US 30 as well. It gave US 30. Look at US 30. It gave the signal over. Yes, no, it didn't. It gave it over here, bro. Look here. It gave it over here, the signal. If I just traded one of them, I would have had my daily goal. German 40 cash should be climbing too. Not really, actually. Wow, it's actually falling. Alright, gold's going to come and take me out. I want to give it a bit more breathing room. No, I don't want to lose money on it. I'll give it 20 because that TP is 60. So 1 to 3, it's fine. And we made something, so it's not like giving. Bro, today's not my day. Yeah. Look at Bitcoin. Came back down, and still rejecting our level here. So, are we going to see the break on Bitcoin? And then man, I'm gonna take a chance with Bitcoin. But yes, this thing, man, it's make the block red, man. Ugh. So we can't even buy it now. Yeah, gold is just things. This is normally a sign that it will go above again, because it broke it once, and it didn't even stop. So yeah, I don't know. Yes. You can see, you get updates on the technology. Like they give updates there. They're gonna do a lot of stuff extra, so they make it a lot more user friendly and add more features and stuff for you guys. Oh shit! I need to pay money over, guys. Wait. Yeah, Cat 8. Some guys say Cat 8. I don't know if they're taking me for a one or does Cat 8 even exist. So, but if it does, and they have 10 minutes already, take the Cat 8. Guys, are you guys fucking with me saying there's I must get Cat 8? Or does it really exist? Because as far as I know, it's only Cat 6. But then again, I know fuck all about technology, like the hardware. The Fed rate decision today is not going to change, right? It's not going to come out less or more. It's not. So normally that pushes gold up a bit. Guys, can we, a very important something, if we can just go through, on gold over here. You will notice I didn't just buy when it touched it, right? So it's very important, once you have your block out, right? What does it do there? So how does price get there, and can you see the kind of rejection? What happens when it gets into the block? Right. Once you see like rejection, okay, it buyers are coming in, and these are the wicks, and you'll see the price coming here and then pushes it back up, right? Then once you see that, then it's safe to enter your block. All right, so always keep that in mind. I always use that. It works a lot, guys. It's fucking potent. Really, it's very, very potent. If you're patient and you wait for it to see, does it reject there? The first time it does there, it's the most important part. Does it reject instantly there? And what does the next couple of candles do before it goes up there? Okay. And then obviously now we are currently in between two zones. And yeah, but this normally is a sign that can break this, but there's also very strong rejection of this level. So yeah, but then so what it did was it broke the neckline. It came back, it retested this neckline, right? Candles didn't close below. It went back up. It came back now. So if you put it on the 1 minute, you'll actually see it a lot more clearer. Look here, it came for the complete retest, and now again. Alright, so pullback, retest, and now continuing up. So from here on, we have a great chance of seeing it breaking it, alright? But can you guys see why it did what it did, why it came down, it stopped, went up. So this is showing buyers that the buying power is very strong below here, and it's safe to buy, and that's why price gets pushed up. But now what's happening is, price is getting pushed back down from here. Okay, and because buyers know that when they took price above this block, the price came back down. So the sellers pressed price down without even hesitation, just brought it back down. So this is why we are losing buying power over here, but regaining buying power here because there's a lot of buyers holding in this area over here, okay? And when I mean by that, I mean hedge funds, banks, everything, okay? Not like they would be like focused on fucking entering positions here, but obviously for the scalpers. So yeah, but then again, the problem is now there's selling power over here, so they might actually buy TP, and then sell TP. Yes, so yeah, that's what we're kind of seeing. Cat 6 is the highest, that's what I'm saying. Now there's someone saying 350 for 10 meter Cat 8. No, fuck guys. Dit bestaan, prof. Cat 6, nee, yeah guys. Cat 8 does not exist. Now, who the fuck must I believe? I choose to believe zero. I choose to believe zero. The name of those blocks. So, this is a support block, or a resistance block, and this is golden zone. Yes. So, yeah. Yeah, so this resistance block is also the golden zone for this move. So, can you guys see? This resistance now is also the golden zone for this move. So, if it breaks above, we know price will go to there. If it doesn't, we know price is coming back down here. Okay? Pretty simple, straightforward what we have now going on. So, we need to break out either way. Either here or here. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
You want Cat 6, Cat 8?
Do you have Cat 8?
Cat 8 we don't have, we got it Cat 7.
Cat 7?
Yeah.
What's better, Cat 6 or Cat 7?
Cat 7 is obviously better than Cat 6.
But do you have ready-made?
We got it just 5 meter or
No. Give me the 10 meter Cat 6. I'm fine with it.
Alright.
Thank you, brother. Bye. Guys, there's a Cat 7. No one said Cat 7. No one said nothing about Cat 7. We were going to go to Cat 8. You skipped Cat 7. Everyone here skipped Cat 7. Cat 7. Nice, guys. 7 cats. You guys want cats in equal pairs. 6 cats, 8 cats, 4 cats. No one's speaking about 7 cats. What happened to Cat 5? Cat 5. There was a Cat 5. Obviously, there's a Cat 7. Why didn't I think of, hey, there's a Cat 5, then there's a Cat 6, You guys are speaking about Cat 8. Wait, what the fuck happened to Cat 7? No, fuck. I don't want a fucking cat cable anymore. I want a fucking dark cable. I want a dark 12 cable. Anyone have a dark 12 cable for me? Beatbot, you can't come and say Cat 7 is the best now. Cat 6, 7, 8, yeah. Cat 987, yeah. Imagine chat hiding stuff from you. Imagine your own chat is hiding stuff from you. Now, look, everyone knows about Cat 7 now all of a sudden. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Ghost Nation. I appreciate that. Helpful insight. Yeah. Almaros, I'm having a class on that on Sunday, 2 p.m. We're having a nice little beginner's class. Because I noticed that's one thing you guys are struggling with. It's the support and resistance block. So let's rather have a session where I'm focused on teaching you guys that. Yeah, they're fucking rage baiting me here. So what he says, he's Raj also confirmed Cat 7 only. Guys, it's like me telling you I'm going to sell gold when it's a buy. It's the same thing. Yes, yes. Taking the blue line to support, yes, that is correct. That's the middle of the VWAP line you see there. And there it just breaks it as I say it. Bam! Yeah. Very difficult, guys. We're sitting with sellers coming in, buyers coming in. So we're going to have to see who wins this. And right now, it's actually forming a bloody bear flag. Now we can actually see a bear flag forming. And we all know what does that mean. Gold will come down, right? So yeah, it's a fight between sellers and buyers over here. The buyers are getting higher and higher though, because we're seeing higher lows created. But we also know higher lows welcome liquidity sweeps. So yeah, well, you know what? I'm closing my buy. Thank you. I'm taking the profit. I don't care. I'm closing it. I'm closing it. Yes, exactly, Goth. It's like me even telling you guys not informing me of Cat 7 is like telling you guys, and you guys know I'm in Kimberley, so you probably know I'm not going to get Cat 8 because I'm in Kimberley. So, hey, maybe there's a possibility for Cat 7. It's exactly like me, someone saying, same source, different salad, or what the fuck ever. It's like me telling you, hey, no, you should buy and sell gold. Fuck. So we currently we have a bear flag forming. I don't like it. I closed my buys. I'm out of the buys. I don't care. We have a fight between buyers and sellers. Time will tell. Stocks in 10 minutes will tell us who's winning this fight. Stocks opening, New York stocks opening in 10 minutes. So we're gonna have to be patient. If you want to hold, make sure stop this on break even. But we are a battle between buyers and sellers, and currently we have a bear flag forming. So. Yeah, let's be careful. Stuart, maar jy het nie meer season Kimberley nie. No, yeah. Guys, we're struggling today. Today we're struggling with markets and fucking internet cables. Same salad, different sauce. You guys get what I mean. Same sauce, different salad, same salad, different sauce. Does it really make a difference? Sy maak 'n different lots. Yes. Oh yeah, let's see what the baby brother is doing of gold here. Fuck, man. It's going up, okay. Okay, but look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. Here's the bear flag coming into play. Sweeping the lows, like I said. Higher lows, welcome. Liquidity sweeps. And this is a problem because this means it can sweep all the way to the bottom of the VWAP line over here. Do you want hello? Hello?
It's Morgan.
Yeah, Morgan?
There's a guy that asked when are they going to get a course on the Traders Hub?
Sunday, 2 p.m.
Sunday at 2 p.m.
Yes.
Okay,
On YouTube live and on Kik.
okay, thanks.
Ja. Jy toe reg met jou rims en tyres vir jou Mustang? Nee, die enigstes wat ek kry vir die Mustang, wat original is vir die Mustang, sit dit net met 2 duim meer uit en ek wil graag hê dit moet nog bietjie meer uitsit. So dis die probleem. Ek's op soek na rims en tyres vir my Mustang, maar lyk my nie, want ek wil hê dit moet bietjie uitsit, want ek wil 'n kit op die Mustang sit, met 'n nice body kit wat die body nog meer breër gaan maak. So die beste wat hulle vir my kan doen is, en dit is duur, ek dink dit is 36,000 of 38,000 is 'n kwotasie vir 4 rims en 4 tyres, maar dit is nou obviously bietjie breër. En dit is spesiaal vir die Mustang, daai rims, net vir 'n Mustang wat hulle dit invoer. Maar nou die probleem is vir my is dit, ek is nog nie seker, dit bring dit net 2 centimeter verder uit. Die rims en ek wil bietjie meer uit hê. Dit is mooi, Zero. Jy is nice. Right, off the neckline here, let's see. Pulling back to the bottom of the bear flag that it's forming. Oh my God, it's respecting it. If it respects this, we will see something like this. I know. If it doesn't respect it, which I really hope it doesn't, see this, and it's just coming to retest this again, and the buyers are coming in and sweeping them. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm really hoping for that. I don't want to see this now. Because oh my word, look how it's rejecting off the bottom of this bear flag. I'm just going to put the bottom back in. Yeah, just put the bottom in there. But buyers and sellers. Look how the buyers are coming here, sellers coming here. But looks like the sellers are going to win. And in 5 more minutes for the things to open. So we'll take it from there, guys. Let's wait 5 more minutes and see what the New York stocks want to do. No, but it's a good sign for taking lows. Here's the first low. There they take the first low. Can you see? So this is almost taking the first low. If this candle closes below this yellow line, we have problems. Guys, the cat cable has arrived. Please, can we plug it in? And guess what came, guys? We have received a Cat 10 cable. Oh no, wait, that's Cat 10 meters. Sorry. Problems, guys. It's breaking our yellow neckline. It wants to break that neckline. Let's see. Stocks opening in 3 minutes. Okay, vir nou moet hy maar net so lê. Trek. By enige geel gaatjie. Okay. Nou, ek sal maar daar by die muur afvat, so oor en dan hiernatoe. Nee, gaan jy so toe?
Moenie hom nou so deur so iets sit hom nou eers vat hier want hy gaan daar trek.
Okay. Okay, guys, I might lose you. I'm plugging in. I am plugged in. Can you guys hear me? Hello? 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 Can you guys hear me? I plugged in the cable. But why are you done, Little Famous? Why are you done? I'm not in a gold trade because look what's happening. Why are you done? What's happening, bro? Okay, guys, let's see if this worked. Okay. Sweetest by Ookla, you guys said. AfriHost, Joburg server. This is with the line. Guys, even worse with the line. Who the fuck said I must put in a cable? Guys, what the fuck? Who said I must plug in a cable? It will be better. It's worse by 195%. Plus discount. From 60 download to 8. From 70 upload to 6. Man, fuck this cat 6. Let's just do a recheck. Before I fucking rip this cable apart. I'm ripping this cable apart. This is gone. Yes. This is a 5G Cat6 patch cord. My router is yes. You know what? Just gonna focus on gold. Look at what it does. The stocks opened over here, pushing it up. Who lives in Kimberley and who can come sort out this bullshit? I didn't buy it by the Pakistani. I buy it by Matrix, owned by a Pakistani. Yeah, gold is buying stocks, is pushing it up now. So definitely double bottom here. Definitely, I think we're gonna break now. Let's see. What's silver doing? Gold breaking it from the support here. Nice. Stocks is pushing gold up. Stocks is pushing gold up. Stocks is fucking 110 pips since New York stocks opened on gold. Buy. Bitcoin also going up. I took the Bitcoin trade. Well, I'm gonna close it now. Take my little bit of fucking peanuts. Rejecting of the VWAP on top. Bitcoin rejecting of the neckline. Bitcoin rejecting of the neckline. I don't get it on MT5 actually. I only get the VWAP on TradingView. I can actually ask Stefan to build it for us for MT5. US 100 stocks is flying up. Whoever took the US 100 and US 30 buy on the Telegram group and on the Traders Up is fucking coining. And I'm not the one. I am not part of that group. I'm not part of it, guys. My naam is Piet en ek het hierdie trades gevat. I can't tell you when I enter. I can only show you where the market can go to. Whoever tells you to where you can enter is breaking the law and can get jail time. I don't want to go to jail. Although everything would be free in jail, I would not like to go. Rejection of here. We don't want to see it break below. Nice rejection. Nice rejection there. There's my trades, guys, that I'll do. Guys, I need to take a call quick. I'll be with you guys soon. Let's go. Yeah. Well, this is the high of the breakout, guys. This is the high of this breakout. So if we put it on the 1 minute, fuck, I don't like this. I hope this is the high of the break, and this wasn't it. But we'll see. Hennessy asks, must he be affiliated with us by XM? Yes, he must be affiliated by using the code T1000 when you open your trading account by XM. If you already have an existing trading account by XM, you can just add another trading account and use the partner code T1000, and then you'll be affiliated with us and you'll have access to all of that technology. And we're making it a lot better as we go now. We had meetings with them again today to bring more stuff in, to make it a bit more simpler. To make the entry side of things a bit more clear, exit points and so forth and whatnot. That's all we are asking for, and that technology costing us 3.4 million rand. That includes the trading experts for the next 2 years to assist us, or that gives those trade ideas. So all in all, 3.4 million rand is what we paid out, and all we're asking in return is that you are affiliated with us by XM. And the reason for that is because you get money back for every trade you take, though. The commissions we get, most of it goes back to you guys. But the reason for that is I really want to build the XM brand, because the bigger I can build the XM brand, the better it is for me and requesting stuff for not only me, but for you guys as well. Currently, all trades are on fucking break even again. That's nice. That is nice. Nice. Bitcoin and gold falling now. I'm going to exit my positions. Guys, this is total profit day. I don't see a point in trading because I'm trying now hard to make money for the giveaway. I'm just gonna end up here catching on nonsense here. So Bitcoin falling and falling hard now. So I exited there. So we'll take this $114 to tomorrow. And hopefully tomorrow is a better day. But hopefully it should be. Look at gold. Look at gold falling. That means silver is falling too. Not even that much. Euro USD is going up. Silver, oil climbing, gold. Blah 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 blah. Think we just take that $14 and add it to tomorrow's. Ag, ek doen soveel sponsorships, man, dan fucking kom maar niks daarvan af. So ja, we kind of stopping with that in a way. Gold now breaking that block for the first time. Sweeping out these lows. Wow. Nice play, gold. Ek het 'n subscription op TradingView, maar is nie nodig vir julle om 'n subscription te hê op TradingView nie. Ja, ek gaan weer 'n speed test doen. No, it's the same. It's the same. 8 up, 6 down. This is not going to be the case. Nice buy level over here. So to medium risk entry and this. Weakening it and then going up. So we should then see it sweep this high. Let's see if this will happen. And if you buy here, the nice thing is you give it so 50 pips from this level. So I would say anything from here to here or previous low. So then it's not that far. Nice, Gene. Weet jy wat help dat jy weet van my jou fucking gig line, hè? I just want this internet sorted out for the live stream in the morning, guys. That's all I want. Hey, where are you guys? I closed my chat by accident. That's calm. I closed the chat by accident. I'm wondering why the fuck I don't get messages. Yeah. Yeah. Did you think something very important? I noticed with the MSG3 price, it always gives a retest to the middle or low risk zone. So I always wait for this to happen. Sometimes it doesn't. Yes. And when it doesn't, you didn't get a setup, right? Then you go on to the next one. So you didn't get your trade for that session. That's perfect. That's what you guys must do. If you decide your entries in the medium risk zone and price doesn't get you, price just continues to go up, it just left you behind. But you just wait for the next one. It's a lot safer and a lot more profitable in the long run. And you keep on with your zones. Okay. If yours is in the low risk area, you wait for it in low risk. If it doesn't get to low risk, it missed you. It's not meant for you, that trade. Alright, guys, let this thing play out. They're asking me to switch. They're gonna switch off the internet and stuff. Let me go. Let me sort out this internet and stuff. We'll take that $114 over to tomorrow. Let me get this internet and stuff sorted out, and so I can go live in the mornings. So we'll add this $116 profit to tomorrow's. Okay. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be safe if you took the entry in the medium risk zone over here. Stop loss probably just below this week over here. But yeah, be careful and yeah, don't risk too much.